Hey, beautiful mommies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kashish Sandhu, your parenting coach, a mother, and an author. How are you all? I hope you all are doing so great. So, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बेसिक हैबिट्स के बारे में because this is also very important what we are facing in day to day activities means whether it is with the teen children, whether it is with the toddler or infant. सो जब हमारा एक पेरेंटिंग जर्नी शुरू होता है तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं। कुछ लोग नए पेरेंट्स होते हैं जिनको यही पता नहीं होता कि व्हाट आर द माइलस्टोन ऑफ माय चाइल्ड। सो some parents are interested to learn and some just follow the old pattern. It depends upon what kind of parenting you are looking for your child, but which is the best is learning and unlearning. As a mother of two beautiful boys, I have faced so much issues while doing parenting because we have done it all alone. So let me tell you today how to train your child for the potty training. ये बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टास्क होता है हर मदर की लाइफ में बिकॉज मदर इज द ओनली वन पर्सन हु हैज टू स्ट्रगल सो मच। सम टाइम आप स्कूल के साथ मिल करके मतलब देयर विल बी अ कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन स्कूल एंड पेरेंट्स एंड देन दे विल डू, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम अगर घर में देखा जाए तो मदर ही ये चीज करती है। वेदर यू आर अ फर्स्ट टाइम मॉम और गोइंग टू बी दिस विद द सेकेंड चाइल्ड, समटाइम क्या होता है कि एक बच्चे के लिए हमारे पास बहुत अच्छा हेल्प होता है और दूसरे बच्चे के लिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, फॉर माई फर्स्ट चाइल्ड आई हैड टू नैनीज, two maids who used to take care of my child and help me in cutting vegetable and helping in children basic things. पर दूसरे बच्चे के टाइम में कोरोना था तो हेल्प तो दूर की बात थी, मुझे बच्चे के साथ साथ पूरा घर का देखना पड़ता था। सो इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट एंड हाउ it is possible because mom has lots of energy, she is so determined, and you as a mother can do anything in this world. And I am not telling it with any simple just for saying technique because I am a parenting coach, but I did it. हम सबका वरी होता है कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें, व्हेन माय चाइल्ड विल स्टार्ट पोटी ट्रेनिंग, एम आई डूइंग करेक्ट और नॉट, या फिर कोई दूसरा कर रहा होता है तो दूसरा का लगता है यार उसका बच्चा तो हर चीज कर ले रहा है, मेरा बच्चा क्यों नहीं कर रहा है। सो डियर मॉमी, यू हैव टू कीप वन थिंग always in your mind that every child is different, every child milestones भले ही सेम हो but they will achieve those milestone in the different way. कुछ बच्चे जल्दी बोलने लग जाते हैं, कुछ बच्चे जल्दी चलने शुरू हो जाते हैं, कुछ बच्चे अच्छे से खाते हैं, कुछ बच्चों का ग्रोथ अच्छा होता है, कुछ बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से बोलते हैं लेकिन ग्रोथ अच्छा नहीं होता, उनका वॉइस में स्वीटनेस नहीं होती। बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन होता है, दैट्स व्हाई द वर्ल्ड इज देयर। हम लोगों का एक डाइवर्सिटी बनता है बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट, लाइक कल्चर डिफरेंट होते हैं, वैसे ही बच्चों का जो माइलस्टोन होता है, उसका नेचर होता है, बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स होता है, वो सब बच्चों का डिफरेंट होता है। इवन टू चिल्ड्रन इन द सेम हाउस of same parents are different. They grow at their own pace in their own time. We can't compare them, not with our own children, not with neighbor's kid, or not with relatives, not with any older child. Still we often make these kind of mistake and we carry a guilt, but it is not our fault, we are doing our best because as a parent, कौन माँ बाप चाहता है कि मेरा बच्चा अच्छा नहीं बने। हर किसी माँ बाप को लगता है कि my child should be the best. So today let's talk about how you can train your child for potty and susu training gently and mindfully. And when you have to give this training, what is the right time and how. So if you are talking about, अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि yes, Kashish, tell me what is the right time. So let me tell you, there is no fixed age. कुछ बच्चे जल्दी सीख जाते हैं, कुछ बच्चे बहुत लेट सीखते हैं। आई हैव सीन इवन फिफ्थ सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे भी बेड पे सुसु कर देते हैं, एंड दिस इज नॉट बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू डू, बट ये हो जाता है। But most of the children are ready between 18 months to 3 year. So you can start from 18 month till 3 year आपके बच्चे को पोटी सुसु ट्रेनिंग एटलीस्ट आना चाहिए. They should be able to tell with the sign or with the language or with some indication. And again I'm saying what matter is not the age. It is sign of readiness is very, very important. So let me tell you as a parent what sign you should observe that your child might be ready for this. First is they stay dry for 1 or 2 hours. They are not doing susu in the diaper also. Then you can start potty susu training. Or they are telling after they have done susu or potty, see susu, see potty or something. So you can start it. Sometimes they are hiding behind the curtain, sofa, or doing it. That is also a sign. Sometimes they are touching their private part. That is also the sign that they are feeling susu. They can sit in one place for few minutes. That is also a sign. And they are curious when the other person is going to the toilet. If these are the signs in your child, please start potty susu training. If your child is doing it 2 or 3 of above, whatever I told you, you can start now. So let me tell you, sometimes it happens that parent doesn't have time to understand, to observe such. Because most of the parents has nanny or most of the parents send their children to the school. So what you can do, you can ask from the school that what and when we can start it. You have to observe yourself also, and how you can do it when school is doing and you are also doing. There are simple and gentle step I will tell you. पहली चीज है कि आपको उसको स्टार्ट करना है सिटिंग प्रैक्टिस से पोटी सीट पर. Let them sit on the potty with clothes. Let them feel that it is not scary. दूसरा, let them speak simple word like potty, susu, toilet, hand sign, gesture. Maybe they are doing it some action or some word. तीसरा चीज है take them to potty और सुसु every 1.5 to 2 hour. हमेशा एक रूटीन होना चाहिए and this routine is for day and night. Believe me parents, में भी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि यार रात को कौन जगता है इतना. I did it. 2 घंटे में मैं बच्चे को लेके गई हूँ, and then in 3 months completely my child was ready with all these trainings. बच्चों को जब आप सिखाते हो तो एक रूटीन बनाना है. दे हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये करना ही वहां है. सो दे विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स एक गलती करते हैं कि दिन में वो पूरा पोटी सुसु ट्रेनिंग करवाते हैं, 2 घंटे में लेके जाएंगे बिकॉज ऑल आर मतलब कभी दादा कभी नाना कभी कोई ना कोई लेके ही चला जाता है. लेकिन रात को तो सिर्फ मदर फादर के पास होता है बच्चा, तो वो नहीं ले जा सकते. इसलिए वो बोलते हैं डायपर लगा दो. क्योंकि ये घर में मेरे भी हुआ है कि मेरे हस्बैंड ने बोला कि यार क्या रात को बार बार दौड़ती रहती है, डायपर लगा लो. बट this is not the right way to do. I was so determined that I don't want to waste my time. Instead of 3-6 month लेता है फिर बच्चा. If you want to do it, get it done. तो आप रात को 2-2 घंटे में लेके जाओ, बच्चे को आदत हो जाएगा. Then I am telling you, one day will come when he will not at all go the whole night. चौथा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आपको करना है, यू हैव टू प्रेज देयर एफर्ट. ओ वेल डन, यू हैव डन सुसु इन द बाथरूम. वाओ, गुड बॉय. यू हैव टू से लाइक दैट. डू नॉट फील हेजिटेट कि यार बहुत ज्यादा प्रशंसा हो गई है, अननेसेसरी कर रहे हैं. अरे दीज आर गुड वर्ड, जस्ट डू इट. दैट इज बिल्डिंग द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ योर चाइल्ड एंड दे विल लव टू डू दैट. फिफ्थ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि अगर एक्सीडेंटली उसने फ्लोर पे कर दिया है या पेंट में कर दिया है, स्टे काम एंड डोंट शाउट. व्हाई डिड यू डू पोटी इन पेंट? Why did you do susu in pant? या फ्लोर पे क्यों हो गया? Consistency is the key. Because if school sometimes say this thing कि नहीं नहीं ये तो फ्लोर पे कर दे रहा है, बाथरूम में जाता है तो देखता नहीं, it happens with my child. But we should not discourage our children. We should encourage them. Oh, you know this is not the right place to do it. Shall I tell you where to go and do? Every time you have to tell that. Children need time to learn, but once they learn, they will not forget it. And if you are doing day night different routine, then your child will get confused. Don't confuse them by using diaper in the night and training in the day. If you are committed, do it for 2 3 hours steadily and you will see the difference. I'm not saying like bookish knowledge. This is the reality of life and this is really working with all the children. 101% I'm telling you because my child was hyperactive, he was not listening to anything. It worked with him. Believe me, mother, I am also like you. I am learning and unlearning so many things. I am also struggling every day. One problem will go, the other will come. Because my one child is 10-year old, another is 5-year old. So both type of problem I am facing, I'm understanding them. I'm trying to find out the solution. If I feel that uh, uh, other mothers are also facing same type of problem, I help them the way I did it. But yes, you need patience, consistency, and strong determination because in the end, no one will help your child the way you can help, dear mommy. So, what you have to remember that do not compare your child with anyone, no one. उसका बच्चे ने पोटी सुसु ट्रेनिंग बड़ी जल्दी सीख लिया, वो तो बहुत अच्छे से बात करती है, वो तो मम्मा पापा भी बोलती है, बहुत अच्छे से खाते हैं. Do not compare, let them do. Your child will also do one day. No, don't worry. Everyone will take their time. And don't shame your child. Your child is not doing it to irritate you. They are still learning. Third thing which you have to do, you have to celebrate small win. Gana gao, clap karo, give a sticker, give high five, make a star on him. Anything which you can do which can encourage your child. Most important and which you have to remember all your life and help your children to also understand. Ignore people who put you down. Some people will always comment, still not trained, still not speaking. He's so thin. Oh, he's so fat. Ignore them. You are a good mother. Be proud to yourself because you are giving your 100%. You know that you are doing for your child the best. Every parent does that. What I always say as a coach to my fellow moms, see, potty training is not a race. It's a relationship between you and your child. The more calm and connected you are with your child, the more confident your child will become. This is for today. If you are facing such issues for the basic exercise of practical life, daily habits of your child, comment me in the comment box or just message me. I'll just address your problem and we'll make video or we'll have one-on-one with you guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay connected. Love you all.